Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara and today we are going to do a full makeup only using drugstore products. So I picked these products from different brands to compare their quality and see the result, how they look on my face. As usual, I'm going to start with my eyes, so I picked Bourjois Healthy Mix Concealer in shade 51. This is a great concealer I'm using for almost 5 years. It's a long time. But I love this one because it's lightweight, it has a medium coverage and it sets perfectly on face. And I love the final look of this one because before I didn't have any acne on my face, and for the daily makeup I used to just put little bit concealer on my under eye and little bit mascara and lipstick and go out, no foundation, nothing, and it sets perfectly on face and it was great. I already damped my beauty sponge. It's from WetNWild and it's so soft and flexible. And I'm going to tap the concealer on my eyelid. Then I'm going to set the concealer using Focallure Flawless Setting Powder in shade Transparent Chiffon. And I'm going to just add little and tap on my eyelid to just set the concealer. Then using a fluffy brush from Mikyajy to brush it off. Now for eyeshadow, I picked WetNWild Stop Playing Safe eyeshadow palette. This is actually my first time I'm going to use this one. I bought it a long time ago but didn't get a chance to try it. So today is my first time and I want to try these green colors. So I'm going to start with a brown shade for brow bone. As usual, I'm going to press the powder first and then blend it. So we go back and forth to blend it well, and we will add as much as we want to give intense. Then I'm going to use a green shade over here, this one. I'm going to use this shade for definer area and inner corner, but I guess the green shade is becoming dry or something because I don't know what is the problem with only this shade. It's not giving too much color and I have to add too much eyeshadow to get what I want. Then blend it a little bit with the brown color. Now to create the spotlight of the look, I'm going to add a little bit concealer on center of my eyelid, then add the shimmering green shade on it. So I'm going to use a flat brush from Mikyajy. And then I'm going to use this shade. You can use your fingertip or go with a flat brush, but I prefer the fingertip. Now I'm going to use gel liner from Focallure in shade Midnight Black. This is a great affordable gel liner that I had, and it comes with another shade which is brown, and it comes also with two tiny brushes. One of them is angled, one of them is the flat normal brush, and it is very awesome. Like, it's so soft and smooth and long lasting, but it's not a smudge proof. Next, I'm going for a primer using Gush Primer Plus in shade Chameleon. This is a good option for people who have an uneven skin tone or they have discoloration because it's not transparent and it gives a little bit tone to your face. So it's also a good idea to only use this one without foundation. So I'm going to pump a little bit back of my hand. Then with the flat foundation brush, I'm going to set it on my face. After swiping the brush on my face, I will just go for tapping motion and Again, press the primers on my pores. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of liquid illuminator with my foundation. The liquid illuminator is from NYX. It's Born to Glow in shade Pure Gold. And the foundation is from WetNWild Photo Focus in shade Golden Beige. So I'm going to again put little bit of the foundation on back of my hand and then add little bit of this liquid illuminator to it, like this, and then mix them. Okay guys, as you can see, it sets perfectly on my face. It's full coverage, cover all the acne, and it's matte finish, which is great for the oily skin like me. And I really love that. Compared to the price, it's amazing. Now again, for the concealer, I'm going to use Healthy Mix concealer from Bourjois. I'm going to mix shades 51 and 53 because my shade is 52 and I don't have it right now, so I'm going to mix these two to get 52. I will use the 51 here and then 53 at the down part. Then I use little bit of shade 51 on my nose bridge and my upper lip. Again, I'm going to use the same Focallure setting powder to set the concealer under my eye and then brush it off. Now for the contour, I'm going to use Mikyajy Pro Contour Powder Palette in shade 301. Now I'm going to jump to highlighter because I want to skip blush for today, and I will use NYX Strobe of Genius palette. For today, I'm going to mix little bit of golden shade with this pearl shade, these two. Okay, let me tell you something about this palette. If you need a highlighter palette, go for this palette because it has all the colors like golden pearl, pink, rose gold, bronze, purple, all the colors, and it's also the pigment is amazing, as you can see, and it's very useful. Like this one palette is enough for you. Again, I will go back to the eyeshadow palette and complete my eye look. So I just picked the green shade again and I will go under my eye. Then I use little bit of this yellow shade for my inner corner. Wait, should I have to welcome you again? Because now we are in the second day of this makeup, and I know I may get you confused, but today is the second day. After the last one that you saw, it was yesterday, and something urgent happened to me, and I left the house. So when I came back home, it was 7 a.m. and I just removed the makeup and went to bed. So I did this makeup again, and I tried my best to do it as same as the thing that I show you in video, and I hope you enjoyed. So I apologize for any differences you might see, but I did my best. Like, I don't think so there is differences, but anyways, I apologize for that, and we will get back to the makeup. So we will go with the same yellow shiny shadow. Now I will go for the Focallure Brow Pencil in shade 2. Actually, I love this brand because it's very affordable with the high quality. It's Chinese brand, and I have lots of products from this brand, and only there is two things that I don't like about it, and it's one of them is mascara, which doesn't give that much volume. Like there is no change actually in your lashes, and I don't like the foundation because the foundation doesn't work on oily skin. I have oily skin, and after 1 hour it just fade out from my nose and on my upper cheek because I have oily skin. But it might be very good for the other skin types, but it's full coverage. So I'm going to just sketch a little bit and fill the gaps, not too much. Then I'm going to use the Bourjois Twist Up Mascara, the ultra black edition, and also Boombastic Mascara in shade Vibrant Emerald from Gouache. Then I'm going to twist it for volume because the first one is for define length, and then again use it. Now I'm going for a kind of green mascara for my down lashes. Just look the color. Now I'm going for a line and shadow from Mikyajy. This is in shade 101 and this one is in shade 502. Yeah, 502. So I'll use these two for the waterline. Now for lashes, I'm going for a Kiss Peignoir. Last, I'm going for a lipstick and lip liner. The lip liner I'm using is Rimmel Lasting Finish in shade Wine, and the lipstick is from WetNWild in shade Dark Pink Frost. So first, I'm gonna contour my lip with the lip liner. First, I decided to go for a nude lipstick. Then I saw I have a plain white shirt and it's better to go for something metallic. So I chose this one, which is rose gold. Like it's kind of rose gold, like metallic rose gold, something like that. It's so nice. Guys, this lipstick, it's amazing. This is so soft, so oily, so smooth, and you just want to go on, like you don't want to stop. I love it. I love the texture. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and for any suggestion, comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.